Okay. So we're going to do 9,216 divided by 9. The way that you start is you just make a guess. Any kid can guess anything. It doesn't matter. So I might have 5 kids guess 5 different things here, and they're still going to get to the answer eventually. The best guess here is 9 times 1,000, because that's going to give us 9,000, and it's going to get us really close to our dividend here. So they're going to put this partial quotient that they guessed up here. Now, 1,000 times 9 will give you 9,000. Oops. Now, we're going to subtract and see how many we still have left to put into our groups, into our 9 groups. Now we're down to 216 items that we need to put into 9 groups. So we're going to do it all over again. You're going to try to guess about how many times do you think 9 would go into 216. And you can literally make any guess in the world. It doesn't matter. An easy way that I've told the kids to do this is you can look at the first 2 numbers here and think of your multiples of 9. You've got 9, 18, 27. Sorry, my brain glitched. 9, 18, 27. Well, if you've got 21, the closest you can get to that without going over is your 18. So 9 times 2 will give us 18. 9 times 20 will give us 180. So we're going to go with this 180 because that's pretty close to 216. So we're going to take this partial quotient of 20 and put it up here and add it to the other partial quotient that we had. And we just kind of start a list of partial quotients up here. So 20 times 9 is 180. Now, when we subtract, we can see that we have got 36 items left to put in those 9 groups. And the rest of this is really easy because we know 9 times what equals 36. It's going to be 9 times 4. So our last partial quotient is going to be 4. So you've got 4 times 9 is 36. And when you subtract, you can see that we've put all of our things into groups and there are no remainders. So our answer is going to be those numbers added together. It's going to wind up being 1,024. Now, if when you're doing this problem, let's say you have different guesses. So let's say that we said, you know what, I think that 9 will go into 9,216. Let's do 500 times. So that would be 500 times 9 is going to give us 9 times 5 is 45. 2 zeros on the end. Okay. So our guess or our partial quotient was 500. We guessed that that's how many times that it went into it. 500 times 9 is 4,500. Now subtract, get 6, 1, and then let's see, 12, 8, 7. Okay, so now we're down to 4,719. All right, let's say we think that, let's try 500 one more time because we already know that it's 4,500, which is pretty close to this. So we're going to do another 500. 500 times 9 is going to give us 4,500. When we subtract, we get 6, 1, 2. So now we're back down to our 216. Let's say we decided to do 9 times 10. We'll just say that we're doing 10. So we've decided that 9 times 10 will get us pretty close. So we're going to put our 10 up here. 10 times 9 is 90. When you subtract, you're going to get 11, 12. I think so. My brain is messed up. Yes, okay, 12. So now we're going to see how many times will 9 go into 126. We're going to guess that it'll go in 10 times again. So we're going to do our 10. 10 times 9 is 90. 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're down to 36. 9 will go into 36. We know that that's going to go in 4 times, so we're going to add our 4 up here. 4 times 9 is 36. When you subtract, you get 0. Now, our job is to add up all of those partial quotients. And when you add all of those, you've got 1,024. It's the same answer. They just took more steps to get there because they made smaller guesses along the way. But regardless, still get the answer.